Is your display ready for the ultimate challenge? This is not ordinary 4K. This is not even 8K. Today, we step beyond limits. Welcome to the 16K OLED stress test. What you're about to experience is more than just a video. It's a visual benchmark, a boundary-pushing demonstration of clarity. (15,360 by 8,640 pixels, over 132 million pixels working together to deliver uncompromising precision. In the next few minutes, your display will reveal its true capability. Stay focused. Direct your attention to the screen. Every fine line, every subtle texture, every micro detail. Is it all clearly distinguishable? This isn't just higher resolution. This is extreme pixel density in action. Look at the transitions between light and shadow. Are the gradients smooth? Are there any softness, any visible noise? If you see sharp precision, without artifacts, without distortion, your display is handling 16K detail exceptionally well. Now, we test contrast. OLED technology allows each pixel to control its own light. Black means completely off. Brightness means individually controlled illumination. Are the darkest areas truly black? Or do you notice a faint gray glow? Observe the boundary between bright and dark regions. Is the light contained, or does it bleed into surrounding areas? If there's no blooming, no halo effect, your panel's dynamic range is performing at a premium level. Deep reds, vivid greens, subtle blues. Can you distinguish each shade independently? High dynamic range, wide color spectrum. Colors should appear rich, yet natural. Observe if highlights retain detail, or are they clipping? Is saturation controlled, or does it feel exaggerated? True color accuracy should feel lifelike, not artificial. Now, motion. Rapid transitions, high-speed movement, dynamic flow. Is the motion crisp, or do you notice blur? Does your display respond instantly? Any ghosting? Any trailing artifacts? If every frame remains clear and fluid, your motion handling is world-class. We've tested resolution, we've tested contrast, we've tested color and motion. Has your display passed the 16K OLED stress test? Which segment impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. For more ultimate visual benchmarks and next-level technology showcases, subscribe and stay tuned. See you in the next test.